spread spectrum transmission and reception. Say suppose if you are going for your spread spectrum, it is a part of your CDMA. Okay, CDMA stands for code division multiple access. We have seen that whenever we are going for your satellite communication, we are having the different multiple access technique. We are having frequency division, we are having time division, and third one is your code division. Okay. So basically your code division, this was designed for military application. Earlier they have designed this for military application where they can send the code or the information in a they can send the information in coded way. Okay, in coded way they can send the information. Okay, so now your CDMA technology, it is used for your mobile communication, even in your satellite communication also we are using it. So in that we are having this spread spectrum transmission. First we will see that how we can transmit a bit, and then we will go for the reception, and here we will see that how we can able to recover those bits or the information. First you are having input bit stream. You are having input bit stream. So this input bit stream, let us assume that it is R at the base B bit per second. Okay, that we are modulating it. We are modulating with your spreading PN sequence. This spreading PN sequence, it is N R at the base B bit per second. Means whatever you are having this bit, that bit is repeated n times. Okay. So here whatever sequence you are having, that sequence is repeated here n times. Okay. Now let us say this. What is the spreading PN sequence is? Your spreading PN sequence we can consider something from our side. Okay. And similarly, this is the main input bit stream. Means this is the information that we want to transmit. Okay. So this is the information. With the help of your spreading PN sequence, we are modulating it and we are transmitting something. This is your outgoing spread bit stream. So outgoing spread bit stream means it is the combination of your spreading PN sequence and input bit stream. Combination of that one. Okay. So from here spreading, we have taken this spread, and from bit stream we have taken this. So this is called your outgoing spread bit stream. Now we will start with some example. Example we will see that how we can code or how we can modulate the signal and how we are transmitting it. Okay. Input bit stream. Let us assume the input bit stream, we are keeping it simple. We are having a combination of +1 and -1. +1, it is indicating in terms of binary, it is indicating 1, and -1, it is indicating 0. Okay. You are having the input bit stream. Input bit stream, we are keeping it simple. We are keeping it as -1 and +1. In terms of binary, this -1 it is indicating 0 and +1 it is indicating 1. Say suppose if you are considering in terms of voltage, this will be indicating your 5 volts and this is indicating your 0 volts. Okay. And here we are considering that we are having the 8 bits. Here we are having the 8 bits we are having. And here we are having 8 bits, and we are having, say, spreading PN sequence. Spreading PN sequence means it is n times of your this input bit stream. It is n Okay. So I have just taken ones. Here you are having -1, here you are having +1, here you are having 8 bit, here you are having 8 bit. So total it is becoming your 16 bit, and for that 16 bit only I have taken. I have assumed that your spreading PN sequence is say 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, there is no any hard and fast rule that why I have kept this. Okay, just for example I have taken this. You can take anything. So whatever this your spreading PN sequence is, if you are seeing this is your 8 bit, and this whatever the 8 bit is there, here I have represented in terms of your +1 and -1, that will indicate your 1 and 0. Okay, and here you are seeing that this is your 8 bit, the same thing is repeated here also. Same whatever is there, same is repeated here. Okay, now we are going for modulating your these two. We are going for modulating your input bit stream with your spreading PN sequence. We are going for modulating this. Okay, and here we will have the output. That is your output spread bit stream that we will have. Okay, so first we will calculate with these two. Suppose if you are having here you are having +1, here you are having -1. So +1 -1 what it will be? No, we are not going for addition like that. Okay, so -1 means it is 0 only. It is 0 only. Okay, so here you are having plus minus. You will have what will have? Yes. So in that way, you just go on making this till this much. Okay. For this, you just make. Say suppose it is modulation, it is not addition. It is not addition. Okay. So here you are having plus, here you are having minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Here you are having minus, here you are having minus. Both are minus only. Okay. Here plus, here minus, minus, plus, minus, minus. You just draw the output how it will be.